Today, I'm going to show you how I, as a professional trader, make trading as easy and simple as possible. So do pay attention to this video because I think it's a crucial one if you want to make money in the cryptocurrency markets. Hello there everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. So today we're back at it with a Bitcoin analysis, and as always I'd love to give you guys a small lesson as to how you can trade the crypto markets efficiently. So basically your job as a trader is to recognize patterns happening in the market, devise a strategy that you can use to anticipate on those patterns happening, and then just execute your strategy. So there is a mental aspect and there is a technical aspect, right? The technical aspect is your strategy, the mental aspect is your psychology. So what your job is as a trader is to define these patterns and then just execute. Now it is difficult to execute because you can have these moments where you're losing money, right? Not everyone is comfortable with losing money. People get into revenge trading after they lose money. But if you can stay disciplined, then this is a beautiful way of earning your money. So I want to show to you guys the price action that happened right here, which is you go down, you get your liquidation spike, and then you see a swift recovery. Then the price is starting to move like this in a symmetrical triangle, like so in a symmetrical triangle. And then we see a reversal after visiting the lows, right? So the definition of this is the price wants to capture liquidity after it moves down, right? So you can see liquidity as basically people trying to get into the market at a specific price. And in order to get into the market at a specific price, you need to go down, new people can enter the market, and then it can go up again, right? That's why the market is always moving in waves. So I just recognize this pattern right here, then I recognize this pattern right here, and now we are forming the same pattern right here. So we've had this big move towards the downside, then we see a swift recovery, and now we're seeing the same consolidative sideways price action, right? This is called a symmetrical triangle or a pennant. They call this a pennant or a symmetrical triangle. We saw it right here as well, right? We go sideways, we get this pennant kind of pattern. Boom, we visit the lows. Okay, here as well, sideways, we visit the lows. So it's just a pattern that keeps on repeating, right? So my job here is to be patient and to identify levels where this exact low can be. So for now, we have this sideways consolidative price action like so. And now we want a break towards the downside. And the two price points I'm looking at are 47,100 and 46,000. Why? Because often you see that price takes out a low, which means it goes below a low and then it goes up again. So that's the pattern I'm looking for. And now this is the part where trading becomes easy. If I want to sell crypto, I'm going to look at 51,400. If I want to sell crypto even more, I look at 52,500 until 54,000. I've used my analysis tools. You can find them on my channel where we treat the Fibonacci retracement tool, for example, and how we draw support and resistance lines, for example. You can find all of these resources on our YouTube channel at the educational content. Okay, so 51,400, 52,500 until 54,000. This is like the entire zone I'm looking at because that's where the confluence points are. And I'm looking at 47,100 and 46,000. So I have one alert placed at the high over here, 51,400, if we start to break it, and I will just move this alert over here slightly above, and that's it. I get a notification when we start to move down. That's when I want to be active in the market. If we are not at those levels, I'm not touching the market. That's it. And that's how you make trading simple. So this is all that I wanted to share with you guys today, is just these 4 price points that I'm looking at right now. 49,200 can be interesting as well because that's the level that we talked about yesterday. We formed a great support over there and we're rejecting on that level again. But I'm not interested in buying or selling at these areas. So these are the levels I'm looking at as of right now. 46,000, 47,100, 51,400, and 52,500. Now, we know that with correlation, Bitcoin takes over the market. So we know that if Bitcoin is going to move towards these levels right here and then aggressively go down, we can increase our altcoin positions if we sell our altcoins here and we buy them back at these lows. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. I know that Bitcoin is going to go sideways like so, because we've just seen a big dip, so it wants to go sideways. This range is beautiful and big, and I want to trade this range, basically selling at these top levels and buying at the lows. That's it. Okay, so thank you all for watching. This is all that I wanted to share to you guys. Make trading simple, make it easy for yourself to follow your plan, and that's how you become a consistently profitable trader. Thank you all, and I will see you in the next one.